I want to talk about my innovations. I have basically two innovations, but I will take it one after the other. This first one is an Arduino Shield. Now, in the world of programming, especially in Nigeria, you see a lot of people talking about software programming, core software programming, web programming, mobile development, front end, back end, as the case may be. And you see a lot of people excited about going into this field, and you see a lot of people also doing well in this field. But when it comes to hardware programming or electronics programming, it's difficult to find people or a lot of people going into hardware programming. So now, one of the problems why a lot of persons run from hardware programming or electronics programming, robotics and the rest is the ease of getting started. Now, people buy sensors, buy modules. Once they get started, they damage the modules because of wrong connections or other things that are involved. So I came up with a solution. So this solution removes the difficulties of connecting wires around your circuit when you are getting started, because as you are getting started, you are open to mistakes, and any mistake will cost you money, unlike pure software programming that if maybe you are debugging a code, or maybe you are having issues, you have to just go online and look for the search for the solution, maybe on Stack Overflow, ChatGPT or what have you. And once your code is running, everything is fine. But then in hardware programming or electronics programming, any mistake will cost you money. So if you are supposed to connect 5 volts to a sensor and you are connecting 10 volts, it will damage the sensor, and you will have to wait for maybe 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, as the case may be, to get the sensor again. So a lot of persons will get discouraged. So I came up with this solution. So you don't have to start connecting all these wires. So what you have to do is just for you to take the sensor and plug on the development on the shield. So unfortunately, I gave out the last piece of the board, but I will show the board on. This is just the PCB board. It's called printed circuit board. I designed it and send it to China, and I have this copy. I have a lot of copies, but then I'll have to populate the board. Like I'll have to put all the components for it to be functional. The last piece I have, the well packaged one, I gave it out last week. So I will show the video, I will show the picture on this video. So I came up with this idea. So what you have to do is just for you to pick your sensor and you plug. So you have slots for each of these sensors. Most of the sensors you have for ultrasonic sensor, you have for gas sensor, you have for Bluetooth module, you have for relay, you have. So even if you want to do Internet of Things, there is this concept that is called Internet of Things. So you want to maybe monitor the temperature of your room, or monitor the temperature or humidity in your farm, and you send the data to the cloud, so that anywhere you are, you can see the whatever that is going on in your farm. This shield can help you do that. So I built this board around a well-known platform for hardware programming, which is called Arduino. So this Arduino platform, it's a very nice platform for people that are getting started in embedded system or electronics or hardware programming. So it will be kind of easy because their environment, they have a lot of communities around. They have a lot of libraries, so you don't have to write everything from scratch. So I built the shield around this platform called Arduino. So that's the first solution. Then the second solution is the automatic changeover with auto generator turn off. So now, sometimes we turn on our generator, and when the power is restored, we might not know, and our gen will still be on. Even when we are aware, sometimes we are lazy to go out to turn off our generator. So but with this device, you don't have to go outside. The system will automatically turn your gen off and change your power from generator to the mains, or maybe to NEPA. Yes, so it applies also to inverter. Maybe you are connecting it between inverter and generator, between generator and NEPA, between NEPA and inverter. So it turns off your generator. You can also, it doesn't turn off the generator immediately, because the light can come, the power can be restored maybe within the next 5 seconds or 2 seconds. It will go off. So what happens is that once power is restored, it will wait for about 10 seconds, depending on what the user wants. It can be 10 seconds, it can be 20 seconds, it can be 5 seconds. So after the time must have elapsed, it will turn off your generator, and also move your power from generator to NEPA. Thank you.